accurate are your spray applications? Every drop of spray solution runs through your spray tips. The performance of those tips is the focus of today's Iron Talk. Going into this season, I challenge you to check your spray tips for performance. Here are 5 steps that you can take to make your evaluation. First, check your nozzle alignment. If your spray pattern isn't perfect, your application will not be evenly spread and performance will suffer. Second, run some clean water through the sprayer and check the spray nozzles for damage. Next, monitor your spray pressure. See if you're delivering what you think you should be putting out through the nozzles. Then, look at your spray pattern quality and be critical. If it's not perfect, you really need new nozzles. Honestly, you should expect that this is going to falter with time. Here's a chart showing 5 commonly used spray nozzle materials and comparing their wear over time. This is an accelerated wear test, so depending on the spray solutions that you're applying, your nozzles may last longer than this, but it does give a great comparison of the life expectancy of different materials. Notice how quickly brass tips wear out. What you may find most interesting is the life expectancy of the new poly spray tips. It exceeds the life of stainless steel and is now only topped by ceramic tips. This is why poly is the new Cadillac of spray tips when you compare chemical tolerance, abrasion resistance, and cost of new tips. If you're still not convinced, the 5th step to evaluate your tips is to monitor changes in flow rate from tip to tip. You can do this with an automated calibration device or just manually measuring the amount of spray coming through each tip in a given amount of time. Your spray tip performance is critical to your success this season. Take some shop time right now to evaluate your current tip's performance and replace before they completely wear out. That's all for today's Iron Talk, and now back to the show.